Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control in Pakistan and around the world observe the Accession to Pakistan Day today, reaffirming their commitment to the struggle for freedom from the Indian occupation and the complete merger with Pakistan. On July 19, 1947, genuine representatives of the Kashmiris under the banner of the All Jammu and Kashmir Muslim Conference unanimously passed a resolution for Kashmir's accession to Pakistan. Incarcerated APHC leaders, including the chairman Musarrat Alam Butt, in their statements from New Delhi's Tihar jail reiterated their dedication to the resolution, pledging to continue the peaceful struggle. They emphasized that the resolution reflected the aspirations of the millions of the Kashmiri Muslims and set a definite course for the Kashmiris movement, firmly rejecting India as an option. A report released today by the research section of Kashmir Media Service revealed that over the past 77 years, at least 450,000 Kashmiris have sacrificed their lives in the quest for freedom from the Indian occupation and its accession to Pakistan. The report detailed that the Indian troops have martyred more than 96,329 Kashmiris, including 7,344 in custody and fake encounters since January 1989. It also pointed that the troops have molested over 11,264 women. To commemorate the accession to Pakistan Day, rallies, seminars and other events were held across Azad Kashmir and Pakistan, where the speakers underscored the significance of the day. Several people were injured when the Indian police used brute force against the protesters in the Patan in the Baramulla. The residents of the area were peacefully protesting on the Srinagar-Baramulla highway to demand an immediate water supply.